dear students, welcome back to Gurudeva e-learning classes. Yes dear children, in the previous class we were discussing and we were filling the textbook activities. Is it? Yes. Dear children, today in this class we are going to discuss about grammar points and as well as the filling the textbook activities from grammar points. Yes dear children, please all of you open your textbook on page number 42. In the page number 42, in the first main about the what's the grammar behind it. In that main they have given about homographs. Homographs. Dear children, do you know that what's the meaning of homographs? Yes, homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meanings. They may or may not have the same sound. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meanings. Few homographs are may or may not have the same sound. Dear children, homographs are words. Those words have same spelling but different meanings. Few homographs may or may not have the same sound. Few homographs are may or may not have the same sound. Few homographs are same sound but few homographs are different sounds. Yes dear children, here they have given few examples about the homographs. They have given here two examples about the homographs. Yes, here trunk, tear. These are two homographs. Yes, here they have given about spelling, after meaning, after sound. Dear children, here the first homograph is trunk. Spellings are T-R-U-N-K, trunk, same spellings. Here also T-R-U-N-K, same spellings. And here also T-R-U-N-K, same spellings. But meanings are different. Trunk, part of a tree we call that trunk. And long nose of an elephant also we call trunk. And a luggage box made up of tin, that is also we call trunk. But sounds are same. Here trunk, trunk. Both sounds are same. Both pronunciations are same. Trunk, trunk. Is it? But same spelling, different meanings, same sound. Is it? Yes. Dear children, trunk, trunk, meanings of part of a tree we call trunk, and long nose of an elephant also we call trunk, and a luggage box made up of tin also we call trunk. Here sounds are same. Come to the next second one. Here tear, T-E-A-R, tear. Here tear, T-E-A-R. Dear children, here tear homograph is tear. Spelling also same, but meanings are different. Yes, tear means water in the eyes. We call that tear. Is it? Yes, tear. Tear means to rip, to tear the paper. Here, tear means water in the eyes. We call that tear. Tear means to rip, to tear the paper. Sounds are different. Is it? Yes, here T-E-A-R, tear, and here T-E-A-R, tear. Here, in this homographs, same spelling, different meanings, and different pronunciation or different sound. Is it? Yes. Tear, tear. Tear, sorry, tear and tear. Tear means water in the eyes. Tear means to rip. Here sounds are different. Like these, which are the words that have the same spelling but different meanings and may or may not have the same sound. Those words we call that homographs. Is it? Yes. Yes dear children, just we have learnt about the homographs. After that we have to come to the first main from page number 42. Identify the homographs for the meanings given below. One done for you. Identify the homographs for the meaning given below. One done for you. Dear children, they have given here one example. The opposite of the left we call right. And synonym word of correct also we call right. Is it? Yes. Right and right. Both also same spellings, same sound, but meanings are different. Is it? Like here they have given few meaningful sentences. By reading those meaningful sentences, we have to find the homographs. Shall we start? Yes, come to the first one. A small sticker on a small sticker on a letters. A small sticker on a letter. What we call? We call stamp. We call stamp. Small sticker on a letter we call stamp. And to strike the ground with your foot, to strike or to hit the ground with your foot, that is also we call that stamp. Is it? Yes, dear children, here a small sticker on a letter also we call stamp, and to strike the ground with your foot also we call stamp. Both also same spelling, but meanings are different. Is it? Okay. Come next one. A game ending in a tie. A game ending in a tie. We call that draw. Sometimes we say that yesterday game was draw. Is it? Like a game ending in a tie we call that draw. And to make pictures also we call that draw. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. Yes or no? Sometimes we say that I draw pictures. Right. A game ending in a tie also we call draw, and to make pictures also we call draw. And come to the next one. A bird with long legs and neck. A bird with long legs and neck. Can you find what is the name of bird? Yes, crane. Name of the bird we call crane. A bird with long legs and neck, that bird we call that crane. And a tall machine used to lift heavy objects. A tall machine used to lift heavy object also we call that crane. Here name of bird we call crane, and name of tall machine also we call crane. Yes or no? Same spelling but different meanings. After that, come to the next one. A piece of jewelry worn on fingers. What we call piece of jewelry worn on fingers? I wore one jewelry. What we call this? We call ring. Yes or no? Ring. A piece of jewelry worn on fingers we call ring. And vibrating sound also we call ring. Vibrating sound also, mobile phone vibrating sound also we call that ring. Is yes or no? Yes, a piece of jewelry worn on fingers also we call ring, and vibrating sound also we call ring. Ring and ring, same spelling, different meanings. Like these words we call that homographs. Is it? Yes. Yes, dear children. After that you have to come to the second main. Write two different meanings for the following homographs. One has done for you. Write two different meaning for the following homographs. One has done for you. Yes, dear children. Here they have given few homographs words. For those homographs words, we have to write their meanings. Yes, already they have given one example for us. Rose, rose. A flower also we call rose, and past tense of rise also we call rose. Like this, same spelling, different meanings words we call homographs. Here, the first one they have given bat and bat. Bat. A natural mammal that flies also we call bat, and a club made of wood to hit ball. Have seen natural mammal? Have seen that bat? The natural mammal bat that is flying at night and sleeping at the daytime. Yes or no? Yes, that mammal also we call that bat, and a club made of wood to hit ball. Sometimes we go to play cricket. Yes or no? Yes, we go to play the cricket. We need bat to hit the ball. That thing also we call that bat. Is it? Yes. After that, come to the second one. Light. Opposite of heavy also we call light, and to make something burn also we call that light. Yes or no? Yes, opposite of heavy we call light. To make something burn also we call light. Next, come to the third one is present. Synonym of gift also we call present, and to be at a place also we call present. Synonym of gift we call present, and to be at a place also we call present. Tomorrow I will be present. Sometimes we say like, yes or no? Yes. Yes, dear children, like these words we call that homographs. Okay? Yes. Yes, dear children, after that you have to come to the third main, pair activity. From the poem Growth of a Tree, identify 3 more homographs, write their meanings and use them in sentences. Dear children, already we have learnt about Growth of a Tree poem. Is it? Yes. Just we have to find 3 homographs from the poem, and we have to write their meanings, and after that we have to use those homographs in our sentences. This main is homework for you. So we have to read the poem and find the homographs, and you have to write the meanings of homographs. Will you write? Yes, you can write in your classwork book. Yes, dear children, what are the textbook activities we have done today? Please all of you fill in your textbook. Okay? Yes. After that, if you get any doubts, you can call to me. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you one and all.